Adidas Superstar Denim 82 pack redefines the brand's iconic silhouette by fusing rugged denim aesthetics with timeless heritage. Inspired by the original Made in France version, the shoe swaps its stitched three stripes for an embossed design that subtly surfaces from beneath the fabric, adding refined sophistication. Its washed denim material, decorated with dark gray splotches, provides depth, durability, and character. This creative shift continues Adidas' tradition of experimenting with bold textures, reminiscent of earlier cheetah print editions. By blending nostalgia and innovation, the denim update transforms the Superstar into a modern collectible while honoring its roots. Launching on September 1 through select European retailers, the release offers sneaker enthusiasts not just footwear but also a piece of history and craftsmanship. Both fashion-forward and grounded in legacy, the Denim 82 pack highlights Adidas' ability to evolve a classic icon while keeping its identity intact.